Hello, I'm Councillor Charlie Keith, and as Mayor of Wakefield, it is my duty to lead us in the act of remembrance for 2020. This year has been like no other, as we've coped and contended with the global pandemic. It has forced us into new scenarios and to invent new ways of working and cooperating, to contemplate a new tomorrow, a new normal. Many people are reminded to recall the previous time when, as a nation, our backs were against the wall, and fear of losing someone so precious to us was so prevalent. That was a time when the world was at war. Many liken this time to a wartime environment, but it is much more different. Our frontline troops are now the clinicians, doctors, nurses and medics, who along with all the support staff employed in our health and welfare system, we are so indebted to. They are deployed to save lives and relieve suffering. And that's the big difference. Combatants in a war soon realise that to prevail, often an opponent needs to die or suffer. Many voluntarily are put in harm's way into a kill or be killed situation. As a society, we sometimes need that to happen to protect our way of life, our homeland and our freedom. The actors we put into those situations sometimes pay the ultimate price and are unable to be with us to recall the times we had together. So it is right and proper we take time, even if it is just for one day, to remember them. We should also not forget that when faced with today's challenges, we often depend very heavily on the support of the military services to defend us, to operate our testing stations, to build and staff the Nightingale hospitals, to keep us safe. As first citizen, therefore, of Wakefield, and for all my fellow citizens, I am proud to recognise the debt that we owe those men and women of all colour and creed who have served and continue to serve us all so well. Keep safe, keep well, and keep them in your memory.